This video is all about telling the time with 24-hour clocks, and it will help you with a number of quizzes. 12-hour clocks can measure only 12 hours. There are 24 hours in a day, so a 12-hour clock will go through 2 cycles in one day. We call these cycles AM, which means before midday, and PM, which means after midday. So if we look at these 2 clocks here, they're both showing 6 o'clock. But the top one is in the morning, so we would say 6 AM. And the bottom one is in the evening, so we would say 6 PM. So what is the 24-hour clock? The 24-hour clock is used on most digital clocks instead of AM and PM. The 24-hour clock starts at 0000, which is midnight, and it cycles through to 23:59. So in 12-hour clock, we would say that this is 1 PM. But in 24-hour digital clock, we would say that it's 13:00. The AM times in 24-hour clock are shown in blue. For the most part, these are exactly the same as 12-hour times. But for the single-digit numbers, we have a 0 before them to show that it's 24-hour clock, which must always have 4 digits. The PM times are shown in red around here. We add 12 to the 12-hour PM time to get 24-hour times. So you can see here that 9 PM, if I add 12, I would get 21. So how do I convert between 12 and 24-hour clocks? The easiest way to convert a time after midday from the 24-hour clock is to subtract 12. So 19:30 is 7:30 PM in the 12-hour clock because 19 take away 12 is 7. Let's look at some example questions for converting 12-hour to 24-hour. What is 3:20 PM on a 24-hour clock? Well, we add 12 to the hour because it's PM. 3 add 12 is 15, so my answer is 15:20. What is 7:45 AM on a 24-hour clock? Well, we need 4 digits for 24-hour clock, but because it's AM, I don't need to add anything. I just insert the 0. So I've got 07:45. What is 11:15 AM on a 24-hour clock? Well, I need 4 digits for a 24-hour clock, which I already have. It's AM, so I don't need to add 12. So my answer is 11:45. Now look at converting 24-hour to 12-hour. What is 17:25 on a 12-hour clock? Well, I need to subtract 12 from the hour as it's after 12. 17 take away 12 is 5. So my answer is 5:25 PM. What is 08:45 on a 12-hour clock? It's before 12, so it must be AM. So all I need to do is remove the 0 and give the answer 8:45 AM. Remember, 12-hour clock times always need either AM or PM. Now you could have a go at one of these quizzes.